Despite not using the unique picture-on-glass technology sported by LG's step-up E7 and G7 OLED TVs, the OLED C7 is still a staggering feat of design. Gone are the days of the 2016 LG OLED C6's curved screen, and arrived are the 2017 C7's gleaming, ultra-minimalist back veneer and millimeters-thin chassis. It'd be one of the slimmest screens in LG's lineup if there wasn't a chunkier section at the bottom of the rear side that accommodates the screen's connections, drivers and speakers. Unfortunately, however, if you're after that paper-thin level of slimness, you'll still need to look to the W7 OLED. But that's not to say LG traded any form for function here. It has the narrowest of black frames around the screen's edge, giving it a picture-on-wall appearance. It's a TV that looks every penny, and then some, of its $2,200/$2,500 price. In terms of connectivity, 4 HDMI inputs, all of which, impressively, can handle full bandwidth 4K HDR signals, 3 USBs and both Wi-Fi and Ethernet network options, make sure the C7 OLED is well stocked in the I/O department. The only concern we have with the design is that the attractive, well-built metallic stand that comes with the OLED C7 feels exceptionally heavy for something that's attached to such a slender screen. Handle yours with extreme care and teach young children and large pets to steer well clear of it.